Guys, this is Teacher Josephine. Welcome to Math Dali. I'll be discussing to you the laws of exponents. What is the importance of studying exponents? It is used to simplify mathematical expressions. So, how do we perform? Example of exponents. 5 raised to 3, 3 is the exponent and 5 is the base. 5 raised to 3 means 3 factors of 5 or 5 times 5 times 5. 2 will be product law. If you are multiplying powers with the same base, keep the base and add the exponents. By the illustration, x raised to m multiplied by x raised to n will be equal to x raised to m plus n. We have here the concrete example, 2 raised to 6 multiplied by 2 raised to 3. The answer is 2 raised to 6 plus 3, or this is 2 raised to 9. You are going to factor it out. 2 times 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 2. The answer will be 512. So, if I get it, when you multiply the powers, you add the exponents. Third law is the quotient law. When dividing with the same base, keep on the base and subtract the exponent. By the illustration, we have x raised to m divided by x raised to n is equal to x raised to m minus n. With the concrete example, 2 raised to 6 divided by 2 raised to 2 is equal to 2 raised to 6 minus 2. The answer is 2 raised to 4. It comes up with 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. The answer is 16. Yes, power of a power. When we say power of a power, if you are raising a power to an exponent, you multiply the exponents. We have quantity of x raised to m raised to n. It is equal to x raised to m times n. Again, multiply the exponents. We have here the concrete example. 5 raised to 3 raised to 2. The exponents are 3 and 2. Therefore, 5 raised to 3 times 2, the answer is equal to 5 raised to 6. Then, you're going to multiply the 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 and times 5. The answer is 15,625. So, when I take a power to a power, I multiply the exponents. Get your own paper and ball pen and try to answer the following. We have number 1, 3 raised to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to 3. Number 2, we have 5 raised to 2 multiplied by 5 raised to 4. Number 3, we have 3 raised to 9 divided by 3 raised to 5. If you get the correct answer, just keep it and show me your answer later on. Your solution is correct. Number 1, the given is 3 raised to 2 times 3 raised to 3. This is equal to 3 raised to 2 plus 3. Since we have the same base of 3, therefore, we will just add the exponent. So, the exponents are 2 plus 3. Therefore, 3 raised to 5. Then, 3 multiplied by 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. The answer is 243. Or 3 raised to 5. Or 5 factors of 3. Will you get 243? Number 2, we have 5 raised to 2 times 5 raised to 4. Take note that the base are the same. Therefore, we are going to add the exponent. The exponents are 2 plus 4. The answer is 5 raised to 6. So what is the answer of 5 raised to 6? If you multiply 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, the answer is 15,625. Last number, number 3. 3 raised to 9 divided by 3 raised to 5. The answer is 3 raised to 9 minus 5. Because we have the same base of 3, just subtract the exponent, which is 9 minus 5. Or the answer is 3 raised to 4. Multiply by the base, which is 3 to 4 power. We have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. The answer is 81. Did you get the correct answer? Law of exponents. If the quotient of the bases is powered by the same exponent, then the result is both numerator and denominator, each powered by the given exponent. Say for instance, x divided by y raised to n. It is equal to x raised to n divided by y raised to n. If we get this into an example, 2 over 3 raised to 4, this is also equal to 2 raised to 4 divided by 2 or 3 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4, the answer is 16. Because if we multiply 2 4 times, the answer is 16. Over 3 raised to 4, the answer is 81. If we multiply 3 4 times, the answer is 81. So, when I take a power of a quotient, I apply the exponent to all parts of the quotient. Exponent is the negative law of exponent. If the base is powered by the negative exponent, then the base becomes reciprocal with the positive exponent. Let's say x raised to negative n. It is also equal to x is equal to 1 over x raised to m. We have here the concrete example, 5 raised to negative 3. It is also equal to 1 over 5 raised to 3. It will come up with 1 over 125. Another example, we have 1 over 3 raised to negative 2. This is also equal to 3 raised to 2, or 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So, when I have a negative exponent, I switch the base to its reciprocal with the positive exponent. And if the base with the negative exponent is in the denominator, it moves to the numerator to lose its negative sign, like the example number 2 is stated in. This one is the zero law of exponents. Any base powered by zero exponent is equal to 1. Let's say x raised to 0. The answer is 1. Another example, we have 5 raised to 0. The answer is also 1. And let's say a raised to 0. The answer is 1. If we combine 5 and a raised to 0, the answer also is equal to 1. So, 0 factors of a base equals 1. Since every power has a coefficient of 1, or any number raised to 0, the answer is 1. Of our discussion, I have here the following expressions. Try to simplify and send your answers to my FB account. I hope you learn a lot. Good luck and see you soon.